Many people watching my videos asked about high-speed single needle machine. Is it not possible to sew beautiful designs? All you need to do this job is a piece of wire and apply a tool. Bend the wire and make a small ring, put the other side of the wire to the foot, tighten screw and tighten it. Support the fixing wire between the sewing cloth and the sewing foot, knitting thread, baby ribbon and using many other things, you can create beautiful designs. The flower I sew is ugly, isn't it? Those of you who know how to sew beautifully can do a lot of work using this method.